In this session, let us learn about set operations. What is a set? A set in a mathematics is a collection of unique elements. Sets are used for operations involving frequent intersection, union and difference operations. Create sets in NumPy. We can use NumPy unique method to find unique elements from any array. Example, create a set array, but remember that the set array should only be 1D arrays. See the example, convert following arrays with repeated elements to a set. See here, by using np.unique method, the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finding union. To find the unique values of two arrays, use the union 1D method. Find union of the following two set arrays. See here, to find two set arrays, by using np union 1D array and array 2, the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finding intersection. To find only the values that are present in both arrays, use the intersect 1D method. See the example, find intersection of the following two set arrays. See the example, this is example. By using this method, the result is 3, 4. The intersect 1D method takes an optional argument assume unique, which is set to true, can speed up computation, should always be set to true when dealing with sets. Finding difference. To find only the values in the first set that is not present in the second set, use the setDiff1D method. Find the difference of the set 1 from set 2. See, by using this method, the result is 1, 2. The setDiff1D method takes an optional argument assume underscore unique, which if set to true can speed up computation. It should always be set to true when dealing with sets. Finding symmetric difference. To find only the values that are not present in both sets, use the setXOR1D method. Find the symmetric difference of the set 1 and set 2. See, by using setXOR1D method, the result is 1, 2, 5, 6. The setXOR1D method takes an optional argument assume underscore unique, which if set to true can speed up computation. It should always be set to true when dealing with sets. Okay friends, this is the end of part 43, NumPy operations. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python pandas. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.